So we get
A value is 2. Right.
So we get T1 value as 1.
1.
All of you students, T1 value 1, no?
Yes, sir.
Here, ma?
Sir.
Please compare with both students, and you know A value from parabola. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all of you
Yes,
students.
Yes, sir.
Students, all of you, is it
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Yes,
So you got P value. From P value, you know T1, and you know A from the parabola, students. Now you need where it meets, means it is at A T2 square comma 2A T2 only, no students?
Yes, sir. And
Yes,
we
sir.
can find T2 using
But what is the
above
T2?
equation. T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 minus 3.
2 is minus 3, no students?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
of you? Tell me then. A is 2.
18,
A is 2. 18. Tell me, ma. Comma?
18, comma minus 12.
Very good. Very good. 18, comma minus 12. Understand, no students, where the parabola normal at
Yes,
one
sir.
point, whichever we have drawn, when it meets the parabola again, how to find Q? Got it, no students? All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Students? Then length of PQ, you know, right? Distance
18
formula.
minus 2 whole square plus
Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
16 root 2, sir.
Yes, ma. All of you. Is it fine, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next one, students, here. Next point is properties. Okay. Next point. Because now after these properties, then few more questions you can solve. That's why the homework I'm not discussing, students. At the end, I'll come back to your homework and doubts, everything. Right? See, student, next point. We have drawn a normal at a point P. It meets at somewhere. And we have drawn one more normal from Q. It meets at somewhere. Means, understand, no students? At PT1
Yes, sir.
and QT2, we have drawn two normals. They are intersecting at a point called R at T. R like a point R with parametric coordinate T. What is the relation between T1 and T2? Question you understand now, students? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, both are intersecting.
So what is the
on
meaning of this
parabola.
now? Tell me. Normal.
Normal
Yeah.
from P and
Yes.
normal from Q intersect at R.
Normal
So that P
normal
will-
at PT1
and normal
at
at
P,
Q.
one second, normal at PT1 meets parabola
At R.
at RT, right? RT. Is it okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Students. Then what is small t? Small t is minus T1 minus 2 by T1, students.
Yes, sir.
Students, from above discussion,
Yes, sir.
all of you, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Normal at QT2, yes, meets parabola again at R
RT.
small t means, again, what is small t, students?
Minus T2 minus
small
2
t
by T2.
minus T2 minus 2 by T2.
Yes, 2 by
All of you
T2.
following this, students? All of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you are following, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now from these two conditions, you can say now, students, 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, you can say, right, minus T1 minus 2 by T1 equal to minus T2 minus 2 by T2, right? All of you, ma? Students?
Yes, sir.
Then T2 minus T1 equal to 2 by T1 minus 2 by T2, right?
Yes, sir.
T2 minus T1 equal to
2 into 1
2
by
into
T2.
T2 minus T1 divided by T1. So T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1 gets cancelled.
So T1, T2 is equal to
T1 into T2 is
2. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
students. So normal which is drawn at 2 points on a parabola meets at same point. Parabola meets the parabola again at same point. Then what is the relation between these T1 and T2?
T1 into T2 is equal
This
to
T1, T2. Is it fine, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, students, shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Students, shall I proceed?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See the next question, ma, if normal. To the parabola y square equal to 4x makes an angle phi with the axis. See students, once again I am telling this and all are not there in mains. Not there in mains, JE mains. In our exam they may ask, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it will.
Is it okay? No?
So slow.
Students, is it? No? Students, is my voice okay now?
Still no, sir. It's bit break. Yes, it's proper, sir. Sorry, sir.
One second. Now, is it okay, students? Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
What is actually? What is given? Tell me, students, diagrammatically, if I put this point on diagram, how it is, students?
Parabola facing
Normal. This is, yes, suppose see here. This is a normal. See if a normal makes an angle phi with the axis. That means this makes an angle phi with the axis. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Students? So
Yes,
that
sir.
it will cut
Yes,
the
sir.
curve again at Q. At Q. Q with what angle? So what question? At Q theta at what angle? Right now, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Hello? You can no. What is the slope of normal? What is the general equation of normal? Y plus
Y plus X
T
equals
equals
to
to
A.
minus 2m.
280 plus
80
80 cube.
80 cube. Right? Is it or not, students? If I
Yes,
take
sir.
this is P.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Slope is minus B.
minus 2.
Puma? What is the slope now? Slope
Minus
is
D1.
M.
Minus
That M is tan phi. Tan phi, which is nothing but minus T1. Is it fine, students? All of you? Hello? Given right in the question. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it cuts the curve